Good morning, Woodlynde School. It's Tuesday, May 19th, and I wanted to start assembly this morning by sharing with our seniors a note of congratulations as they have completed their classes for the year. They must feel so good at reaching this important milestone, and congratulations for all the hard work that you've put in to get to this point. I can't wait to move forward with all of our graduation plans and to have a moment to celebrate with each and every one of you and your families. I also wanted to say how much fun it was on Sunday to join the lower school at our lower school wave parade at school. It was amazing to see so many students and their families come by to say hello. There were so many of our teachers and administrators in the lower school who also joined us that day, and actually members of the entire colleague body who came by to wave, say hello, enjoy some music, and enjoy some company with each other while still following all of the social distancing rules that we needed to take in place. But it was wonderful to see everybody. And now I wanted to say happy birthday to Miss Cecina. She has her birthday this coming Friday, and we'll celebrate next weekend's birthdays with our Friday assembly with our students. I hope you all have a great week, and I look forward to seeing you soon.